chicken teriyaki, and these are my ingredients: water, soy sauce, sugar, honey, ginger, vinegar, sesame oil, sesame seed for garnishing, olive oil, garlic, and cornstarch. This is 6 pounds of chicken thighs. Olive oil. Oil is preheated. I'm gonna fry the chicken. While waiting, I'm gonna mix the rest of the ingredients. Sugar, honey, soy sauce, vinegar, sesame oil, it takes a while for the honey to be dissolved. Cornstarch, ginger, garlic, I flip it and make the other side brown also. Probably about 10 or 15 minutes. My skillet is not big enough to accommodate all the chicken, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add the sauce in batches. I'm gonna put 6 here, then I'm gonna put 5 later. This is the sauce that I mix. Over. Teriyaki chicken is done.